Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Alisthenics and sharing some essential skills you should master. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's get started. First up, the art of jumping over an obstacle. It's a simple yet impressive move that can elevate your fitness game. Begin by positioning a rope or something sturdy at knee height and gradually increase the height as you practice. Remember to maintain a low center of gravity for maximum control and height. Next on the list is climbing the monkey bars, a staple in any Alisthenics routine. Start by using both hands and alternate between them to build strength and coordination. As you progress, try grasping the bars further away to challenge your upper body strength. And remember, keep your body moving forward to maintain momentum. Now, let's talk about pulling up on a bar. This exercise targets your back muscles and requires strength to lift yourself up fully on each rep. To make it more challenging, elevate the bar gradually until you perform pull-ups with ease. Hey there, hustlers. Want to take your lead generation to the next level? Fan & Buster is the secret weapon you've been looking for. It's an amazing tool that can automate your tasks and save you hours every week. And guess what? By using my special link in the description below, you can support this channel at no extra cost to you. So, click the link, get started with Fan & Buster, and watch your productivity soar. Let's continue the main topic. Finally, we have the squat jump, an explosion of power used in countless sports. Start by squatting deeply and explode upward, as high as possible, while keeping your arms overhead for added height. Practice until you can consistently perform solid reps with perfect form. And there you have it. These 4 Alisthenics skills will enhance your fitness routine in no time. Thanks for joining us today. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Until next time, stay fit and keep moving.